Welcome in this online mode of learning. Students, welcome in new class. That is very important class 10th. So today we will start the first chapter of class 10th, biology. What is the name of this chapter? The name of this chapter is life processes. So just pay attention about this chapter, life process, what we will study in this particular chapter. Students, first we will get about life process. Second, we will know about nutrition. Here we will know about autotrophic mode of nutrition as well as the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Next content is nutrition in human being. We will focus how the humans they are going to perform their nutrition. Next, we will discuss about the various steps involved in the respiration process. And next is transportation. In the transportation, we will study about animal as well as the plants, how the circulation occur in case of the animal and how the transportation occur in case of the plants. And lastly, we will pay attention towards the excretion, means how this process occur in case of the animal as well as the plants. So just start with this topic. The name of the topic is life process. If we will pay attention towards us, then what we will get? We will get n number of the things such as pen, books, cow, rock, plants, car, human. Students, these are what? It's a group of various living and non-living things. If you will pay just now, if you will pay a quick look around you, then what you will get? You will get n number of the things where you will get various living things and various non-living things. So how the various living things they are different from the non-living things? So it means the living things they possess some special qualities, on the basis of that they are living, and the non-living things means such as pen, books, rocks, car, etc. So these are what they have. They are lacking some special properties which are present in case of the plants, human, etc., cow, etc. So just pay attention, just focus on these specific points which are present in case of the plants and animals, means in living things, but they are absent in case of the non-living thing. So what are the properties? These are properties of living being compared to non-livings, means these things which are present in case of the living but they are absent in case of the non-living things. So these are what? Movement is present in case of the living things, and growth is present in living being. Living beings need food. The excretion processes occur in case of the human beings and living beings. Respiration is occur in case of the living beings, and reproduction is occur in case of the living beings. But these processes, these are not occurring self in case of the non-living thing. So just pay attention. What is the life process? So what is life process? Life process are processes. These are undergoing in living organisms to sustain life. Means these are the chain of the processes which are occurring in case of the living things. For what? For sustaining the life. What are the example? These are reproduction, excretion, respiration, growth. So these are some example of the life processes. So first we will pay attention towards the life process. That is what? It is the nutrition. In this nutrition we will get the information about how the various organisms they are getting their own food. So what is nutrition? Always be careful. This process occur in case of the living things. It will not occur in case of the non-living things. So what is nutrition? Nutrition is needed to provide energy for doing any activity and provide essential nutrients for life processes. Means this particular nutrition, it is very much important for sustaining the life processes. Okay, and as we are studying just now, so we want energy. So how we will get energy? We'll get energy from the nutrients, and nutrients we are getting by the process that is known as a nutrition. That's why we are taking healthy food, because what, the healthy food is a rich source of nutrients. So nutrients, basically we are getting the nutrients from food. Okay, so food it has n number of the nutrients such as carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, proteins, as well as the minerals. So what carbohydrate do? It supply the energy. Okay, and carbohydrate as well as the fats, they supply energy. Vitamins, proteins, and minerals, these are needed by us, because what, needed for making body parts like blood, skin, bones, plays vital role in performing various life processes inside body. So these all nutrients, they are very much important for sustaining the life processes. Students, now what is mode of nutrition? If we will pay attention towards around us, so what we will get? We will get three kind of the organism. First is what? Suppose, for example, for three different examples are there. You can better understand by these three examples this topic, mode of nutrition. So what cow is here? It is dependent on the grass, okay, for its own food. Lion is there. It is not dependent on the grass. It is dependent on the meat for its food. And plants, they are not dependent on grass or meat. They are dependent on the sunlight. So anything, it is, are you getting anything? So three different kinds of organisms are here, such as they are dependent on the grass, they are dependent on the meat, and they are dependent on the sunlight. So based on that particular diagram, based on that particular flow diagram, there are few mode. So what are these two important mode of nutrition? These are autotrophic mode as well as the heterotrophic mode. So what happened in case of the autotrophic mode? Autotrophic, auto means self, means in this mode of nutrition, the organisms are not dependent on other living beings. They are preparing their food by photosynthesis, means sunlight is required there for preparing their own food, and this type of the organisms are known as autotroph.